Myself, Bhanu, we are manufacturing specific cosmetic product, nutraceutical product, and everything product. Our specialty is we are highlight science first here because we believe that if we give to scientific ingredient in our formulation, then definitely it will show to result to my core customers. So that is our main USP, that we are giving scientific products. It is a very good platform. Every time I think we are participating third time in CMPL, and last 2 years we are approximate more than 100 client we are engaged from CMPL only. So the clientele come here is very interested and very genuine. So that's why we are come again, and definitely we are participating in next 2 or 3 5 years again in CMPL. Because already I told you that we are manufacturing specific scientific products. So we are promoting our protein supplement, and we are promoting our dermaceutical product, which are clinical trial ingredient product and imported from Korea, USA, and Japan. So our major USP is specific nutraceutical and cosmetic. So we are looking the customer who want the same categories product from us. Every type of customer come here: pharmaceutical customer, OTC customer, dermaceutical, nutraceutical, doctors, aesthetician. Every customer come here, so that's a good for us. Beauty through science.